Firstly, we are going to open the back cover, then we will remove the battery and unscrew all the screws one by one. It is recommended to have where to put these screws because they always get lost very quickly. Then separate the chassis of the phone using the tweezer. Then carefully remove the circuit board. Remove the speaker and the LED bulb. After all this, now the circuit is ready to be worked on, but be sure to remove the SIM cards. Turn on the rack station. By using a blower, hit the downer part of the PCB to remove the damaged charging port. Once the charging port is removed, put a new one.